adding a Scab radiator to your Michigan Cacti or DX Commander. Right, Lizzie fan? What I'd done, I wanted to add a 17 meter test radiator. That's the fiberglass or carbon, whatever it is, fishing pole from my test vertical. What I've done was I pounded a wooden stake in the ground and planted him about a foot away from the cacti, right? And I took SWR measurements of my 4 radiators on the cacti before adding this element, this scab element. And I'll see what effect it had on, wow, things got bright here. See what effect it had on the 20, 15, 10, and 6 meter bands. So what I do is I made that element 4 inches too long, that wire. Sorry for the shaking. And what I, just for fun, I'd rather make it too long than too short. And as expected, it resonated about 17.7 megahertz. So I come out, made a little hitch in the wire. I removed about 3 inches from its length by doing that. I untaped it from it used to come down and come straight over. When I did that, I just untape it and yeah, let's go see where it resonates now. And I actually had to go out there and fold a total of 4 inches back, which makes the actual length right within an inch of the calculated length for a quarter wave radiator. Looks like my alligator clip might have a bit of a loose connection. Anyway, I'm going to give it a test and see if the band will open up, who I can work. I'll check the resonant frequency on the existing 4 bands to see how they were affected. But when I added an additional radiator, it had almost no effect on the other bands. And the reason I call it a scab radiator is because a parasitic element is not electrically connected. It's electromagnetically coupled. 73.